In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a related list to a page in Salesforce Lightning, whether you're customizing your Salesforce experience for better productivity, or simply want to make your data more accessible. Understanding how to expertly navigate page layouts is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get into the Salesforce setup. Look for the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Give it a click and then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This will take you into the configuration area where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the setup area, you'll find a quick find box at the top left. It's like a search engine within Salesforce. Type Object Manager into that box and select the Object Manager option when it appears. This section holds all your Salesforce objects like case, contact, lead, opportunity, and more. Once you're in the Object Manager, choose the object you're working with. For example, let's say you want to add a related list to the contact object. After selecting your desired object, look to the left navigation menu and click on Page Layouts. This is where you'll get to define how the data will appear to your users. The next step is choosing which specific page layout you're going to modify. You might have multiple page layouts for different needs, so select the one that your users will most frequently interact with. Once you've opened your chosen page layout, you'll find yourself in the layout editor. In the layout editor, your targeted spot is the related list section. You'll notice that it's located in the top palette. Scroll through until you reach this area. It's vital to be in the right section to make the desired changes. Now it's time to add a related object. Drag the object you need, such as contacts, cases, or opportunities, from the top palette into the related list section on your layout. This drag and drop interface makes it simple to customize the layout to your specifications. For those who want to go an extra mile beyond the basic setup, you have the option to customize the related list fields. Look for the wrench icon on the related list you've added, click it to choose which fields should display. This step lets you control the exact data points you want your users to see. Lastly, once you've finished adding and tailoring your related list, remember to save your work. Click on Save, conveniently located in the upper left corner. Saving ensures that all your hard work is not lost and the changes are applied effectively. That's it, you've successfully added a related list to a page in Salesforce Lightning. With this skill, you can now enhance your user experience by customizing data views according to your business needs. Enjoy the benefits of a more structured and efficient Salesforce environment.